managed to survive the night in this farmer's field. No one's bothered me, which is great. I'll just pack up and go now.
Well, if this isn't epic, I don't know what is. Look at this now. Coming up 950 meters above sea level. Oh, snow everywhere. Really in the mountains here. Really in the extreme. As a cyclist, to get this far, or get this high, and to go through these sort of areas, I mean, that's what it's all about, really.
It's going to stay dry hopefully today, and that's all that matters. The storm comes in tomorrow, so up Mountain Pass, which you can't really see which is behind me, that will be hell tomorrow. It might even close if there's a lot of snow. So this is my only opportunity. Got to get it done. One day to get it done.
Oh wow, and this blue sky, sun's come out. Someone's looking after me right now, I tell you. That is for sure. Thank you very much for this beautiful weather.
Really short on water, so all I've got is half a cup of tea today. But half a cup of tea is better than no cup of tea. Okay, good morning from the road, day 4. This is it. We're now on the Mountain Pass Road, just about to begin it. Highest point is 1,052 meters above sea level. We're around 200 meters above sea level right now, 250. So we've got about 800, 850 of climbing to do this morning early on. It is 20 past 8 in the morning. It's pretty warm with the sun shining right now. I've got wool on because I know it's going to get a lot colder up there. So I've come well prepared with the clothing required. And just 10% gradient to begin with. So this is my warm-up for the day. It's the last of the big climbs until we get to Stavanger. So I'm so up for this right now. And I mean, what can I say about the weather? I mean, there's just no wind right now. Pretty much blue sky with a little bit of cloud about. So unbelievably lucky considering there's a storm coming tomorrow. So let's get this done, guys. We're nearly there.
Before we begin this epic climb, it's important to understand actually how this road comes about. You see, they don't just wait for the snow to melt. They literally carve out the road every year in May, and this takes weeks to do. And when you cycle through this road with 10-meter high ice walls around you, it really does beg the question, how is this even possible? How do they know where they're going? How do they stick to the road? I mean, it just looks impossible. Whatever the answer is, what they do here is unquestionably incredible. And I just want to say to the people who do this each year, thank you very much, because you allow us to travel down these amazing roads.
What a warm up this morning. This is tough, it's steep. Long road to the top. Oh. No rest for the wicked here. Whew. So, a bit of an update. I'm about 650 meters above sea level right now, so I've climbed 450. So I've got about 400 meters of climbing to go. And about now, coming up to doing that in around 11k, so it doesn't sound too bad now. First part was really tough. It's about 4k of just high, you know, 10% gradient. Really, really tough, but it's easing off. A little bit easier. Whoa. Don't fancy a dip in there, that's for sure. I think I'll wait till I get to Stavanger to have a shower or bath. Look at this, guys, look at this. This is mountain road. We got some blue sky. Thousand meters above sea level. Tell the air is thinner here. It is just struggle this last part to the summit. Keep going. I think we're roughly at the summit. It says I'm 1,050 meters above sea level on my Garmin right now, and it looks like it's going down a little bit now, and it's going to be probably some ups and downs for quite some time. It'll be a nice big descent down to Lysebotn. But oh, what an amazing climb that was. I mean, the first part was tough, but then I mean, look at these views. Look what I've been cycling through. Unbelievable. I mean, how many countries in the world do you get to do something like this? So 19 k's on the clock, 79 or 80 k's to Lysebotn in total. So let's just keep plowing on. Now to Lysebotn, and we just descended from over there. See that? If you can see the little thing on the top of the mountain there, and literally we were just right at the top, right above there. We've come all the way down that, and now we dropped down to about 500 meters above sea level, and now we're going back up to 900 meters above sea level.
So one should note that I didn't do my research here, and I didn't realise I had this bigger climb left. And the first climb was all right. I mean, it wasn't too bad. And as you can see, there was no moaning or whinging going up that one. But this last climb, oh my, this was the hardest climb of the whole trip, and I really struggled. And you know, I do enjoy putting in the old moaning parts of the climb into my videos. So it was only fair for this last climb that I had a little compilation of my moans.
8 kilometers an hour. Oh, it's max pulse. Beyond brutal. Lethal. Ups and downs. I'm just too tired.
Oh my god, this... Gotta crack on, because I can't do another one of them climbs today. Just gotta keep going, keep going.
Still going. Now, this is incredibly hard. I don't know where the top is, but very soon I'm gonna have a break.
I'm at the top, 930 meters. It was hard. That was so hard.
I'm feeling a change coming. I'm feeling a change coming. Right here, I'm feeling a change. I'm feeling a change all around me. No doubt, I'm feeling a change. I'm feeling a change running down me. There's change coming. 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 I'm feeling the ground moving. I'm hearing a sound looming. Right here, it's happening now. It's happening now all around me. I'm sure it's happening now. It's happening now. Yeah, it found me. There's change coming. There's change coming. There's change coming. There's change coming. Been a long time coming, long time coming. Been a long time coming, long time coming.
Oh my. So time is 2:45 and the ferry leaves in 45 minutes and I am 1 kilometer away from the Lysebotn. He's made it. It means I'm going to get into Oslo, into Stavanger, not Oslo, into Stavanger tonight. But this descent, Lysebotn, the famous like switchbacks, endless. I mean, it's probably more switchbacks than any other road in the world, probably. I don't know. But I mean, it's crazy. It's just like, I'm looking up, I've just come down it, I'm looking up. I can't figure out where the bloody hell the road is. I know it goes into the mountain, they built a tunnel, a 1.1 kilometer tunnel. But I mean, that's just madness, man. Like, you can't see it, you can't see the road. It's just so weird. If you just came here, you'd be like, okay, where am I going to go? How do I get up there? But somehow, there's a road that weaves all the way up there.
k's to Stavanger. Nearly there, baby. Nearly there. Just gotta go plough on through Sandnes and then up to Stavanger. Nearly there. My legs are so exhausted. They're really struggling now. But just keep going. 13 k's. Hot shower, hotel, relax, nice food. Just 13 k's. Keep going, Matthew. Keep going. First day, Stavanger, what a day. Visibility, pretty bad, heavy rain, aren't I glad I got through them mountains yesterday. Happy days.